This video will change how you draw eyes forever.
Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to draw a realistic eye with pen in a few easy steps. I will be using a pen, a pencil, an eraser, and of course a paper. Before getting started, you need to know that the eye is one of the most important features in a realistic drawing, as it can convey a lot of emotions, personality, and expression. The eye is also a complex structure that requires careful observation and understanding of its anatomy, shape, and proportions, as well as how to render the values, which I will be teaching you in this video.
Wow!
Firstly, I will make use of the pencil to draw a rough sketch of the eye. Then, I will define the outline properly with a pen. The upper eyelid is always darker than the lower eyelid, so you should be careful when outlining or even during the shading process. And then, Mr. Eraser comes in and does his part-time job. This guy loves his job. And finally, the time has come to bring these ordinary lines to life. I will zoom in so you understand better what I'm doing here. So as you can see, I'm shading towards the same direction here. I'm still maintaining the tool so it doesn't look flat, like flat. You can watch my shading tutorial to understand better. I will put the link in description. Now we add a light, very light shading to the sclera. At this point, many beginners will be like, no, don't do it. This part of the eye is white, but not as white as the highlight, so we make it stand out. In fact, shading this area makes your work look more realistic. Shading the pupil very dark is very important. It makes your work to give that popping view, and it makes the highlighted areas worth highlighting. It gives your work that striking contrast. I love my job too. Let's add the lashes and see how it supports the realism. Here you have to be extremely careful for you to avoid something like this. Make sure to wipe your pen's tip before starting this. Clean your pen's ballpoint frequently to avoid accidental pen discharge. This guy is funny. One stroke at a time, one line for each lash or lashes, whatever. You can add the skin pores like this just by putting dots. Not really dots though, it is just some details drawn in V shape. Let's work on the iris, iPhone, whatever. The sides of the circle becomes darker.
While you add the details, apply everything you see on your reference picture. And the next important step is that it is very important that you give me a thumbs up for this video, and in order to watch more detailed and educative videos like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for all videos. Else I will feel sad and decide to go and learn mechanic instead of teaching arts. And we will repeat the same process I used on the upper eyelid, and then round up the surface with a soft cross-hatching shading technique. Watch the time lapse to the end and see how it turns out.
0/10, and you can ask your questions in the comment section because I live there.